Search engines aren't the only gatekeepers anymore. And by 2028, AI search is expected to surpass traditional search in traffic, according to a SEMrush study. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity are quickly becoming the first place people turn when they need answers. Not to mention, the same study sustains that the average user referred by LLMs has a 4.4 larger value for businesses than the average user that comes from traditional search engines. Why? Because LLMs provide more detailed information to sustain an informed decision. So, if you are still focused only on ranking in Google's blue links, you're already behind. Here's why that matters. AI doesn't show a list of options. It gives one answer, maybe two. That means your business either gets picked or disappears from view. In this video, I'll show you how to become the business AI search engines choose to feature so your content gets cited, your brand gets mentioned, and the right people find you without even clicking through 10 results. If you've been wondering how to rank in AI search, this is where you should start. So, what am I actually going to cover in this video? First, let's break down how AI search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini actually work. And I don't mean the complicated tech. I'm talking about how they decide what content to pull, what brands to mention, and what sources to trust. This part is key because traditional SEO focused on ranking in a list, but AI doesn't rank websites, it just pulls answers. So, I'll talk about how to make your site the one AI picks as the answers. Then, I look at how to find AI ranking opportunities in your niche. Whether you are in a competitive industry or a small local market, there are always ways to show up in AI results if you know what to look for. I will walk you through how to find the right questions, uncover gaps in what's being answered today, and position your business as the trusted source AI should recommend. And finally, I'll give you a clear set of AI SEO tactics that generally are working right now. This isn't theory. These are practical steps you can take, like how to format your content to match the way people ask questions in AI tools, how to use better headings, build internal links, cite trustworthy sources, and grow your authority. All of it is focused on one thing, helping you get picked by AI when your potential customers go looking for answers. Consider this scenario. You walk into a room with 100 experts. All of them are qualified. All of them are ready to help. But the moment someone asks a question, only one person gets to answer. That's exactly how AI search works today. It doesn't show a full page of results. There's no scrolling through 10 different links to choose from. AI picks a single answer, maybe two, and that's what the user sees. If your business isn't that answer, it's invisible. You don't even get a chance to compete. And here's where most businesses are stuck. They are still trying to climb Google's top 10, tweaking meta descriptions, adding keywords, chasing backlinks, like it's 2018. But AI SEO is a whole different game. Traditional SEO taught us how to rank. AI SEO demands how we become the source. That means being the business that AI trusts enough to cite by name, the brand it pulls into a conversation, the one it relies on when someone asks a question. And that's what this video is about, showing you exactly how to become that answer. AI SEO tactics, content clarity and structure. Let's start with your content because Before AI decides if your site is trustworthy or useful, it looks at how clearly you communicate. Here's the first rule: be direct and concise. That means no long intros, no keyword stuffing. AI tools are trained to scan for clear, straight to the point answers. If you bury your main point 5 paragraphs down, you're not getting picked. Second, use a conversational tone. Write the way people talk. If someone might ask, what's the best way to clean leather shoes? Your content should literally say, the best way to clean leather shoes is. When your wording mirrors the way questions are asked, AI models are more likely to match your answer to the user's query. Next, structure matters. Use clear H1s and H2 headings so both readers and AI can navigate your content easily. Each section should have a purpose. Also, include a TLDR or quick summary at the top. That could be a short paragraph, a few bullet points, or a one-sentence answer. AI models love summaries. They often pull from them first. Here's a simple example. If you are writing a guide on how to start a compost pile, start with, to start a compost pile, you'll need green materials like veggie scraps, brown materials like leaves, and a place to store them where air can flow. Here's how to do it step by step. That one sentence already tells AI this page answers the question clearly and completely. This clearly is what helps you show up when people ask AI, and that's a core part of how to rank in AI search. Next, brand signals and reputation. Let's talk about something most businesses overlook: your brand's presence outside your website. AI search engines don't just scan your site. They scan the internet to understand who you are, how trustworthy you are, and whether people actually talk about your brand. So, first thing, check what AI knows about you. Literally, ask ChatGPT or Perplexity, what do you know about X brand? And here, insert your brand. You might be surprised or disappointed by what comes up. If AI doesn't know you exist, it's not going to cite you. That's why your brand signals need to be strong and consistent across the web. Start with your Google business profile, Trustpilot, and LinkedIn. Make sure the name, description, industry, and website match what's on your website's About page. These are the places AI uses to cross-check your credibility. Then, focus on reviews. Not just more reviews, but better ones. A steady stream of high quality reviews on multiple platforms tells AI people trust this business. And don't forget branded search. When people Google your company name, leave comments about your brand or mention you in forums or articles, it sends a signal. It tells AI models this business is known, it's talked about. All of these touch points help you build what is called AI recognition, the digital version of word of mouth. It's one of the most important ways to strengthen your chances of being picked when someone asks an AI for help. Authority and trust. Now, let's talk about trust. If AI is going to coach you or recommend your business, it has to believe you are legit. And that starts with authority. One of the biggest signals of authority is backlinks. Not just any backlink, but links from respected, well-known sites in your field. If local news, industry blogs, associations, or high-quality directories link to you, AI sees that as a vote of confidence. So, yes, outreach still matters. Partnerships, guest posts, being cited in articles, All of it adds weight. But authority isn't just about links. It's also about how you back up what you say. Use credible sources in your content. Link out to real data, research, or expert opinions. If you are making a claim like email open rates dropped last year, show where that came from. Don't make AI guess. Next, add author's bio, real names, real credentials. If your content is written by an expert or someone with experience in the topic, say so. If you've won awards or hold certifications, list them clearly on your homepage, service pages, or bio section. And share your expertise through case studies, success stories, original research. Even if you are a small business, showing real world results builds trust fast. Let's say you are a personal trainer. Don't just write about fitness tips. Publish a story of how you help clients lower their blood pressure in 60 days, with their permission, of course. This kind of proof gives AI and your future clients something solid to work with. All of these steps connect back to Google's EEAT guidelines: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. AI models are trained on those same principles. So, if your site shows authority and trust in real, visible ways, it's way more likely to get surfaced in AI answers. Technical and measurement. All right, so you've got the content, the brand presence, and the trust signals. But there's one more piece that a lot of businesses owners miss. Your site has to be technically solid. Because here's the truth: AI doesn't just look at what you say, it looks at how your site is built. If your pages are slow, cluttered, or hard to crawl, even great content can get skipped. That's why technical SEO matters more than ever in AI search world. First, use structured data. It's basically code that helps AI and search engines understand what your page is about. Things like articles, FAQs, services, locations. Structured data turns them into labeled content. For example, if you run a dental clinic and have a page for teeth whitening, structured data tells the AI is this is a local service offered at a real place. That clearly boosts your chances of getting picked. Second, keep your site technically clear. That means no broken links, no bloated page sizes, no messy code. Use tools like Google Search Console and Screaming Frog to check for crawl errors, speed issues, or anything blocking bots from accepting your content. Third, track your AI traffic. Most people don't even know they can do this. Open Google Analytics and go to Reports, Traffic Acquisition, Referral Traffic. Then filter your session source medium using a custom search. For example, type in ChatGPT using regex. This helps you see if ChatGPT or similar platforms are sending traffic your way. Finally, measure overall performance in AI search. Look at impressions, mentions, referral traffic, and branded search growth over time. This is how you know if your strategy is working. And if it's not, you'll have the data to tweak and improve. Bottom line, technical SEO is no longer optional. It's part of how AI decides if your site is even worth showing. So here's the thing: AI search doesn't just care about what's on your website, it cares about how your site works. You could have the best, most helpful content in your industry. But if your website is slow, messy, and hard for AI to crawl, it simply won't matter. you'll still get skipped. That's why your next step should be running a technical SEO audit. I'll show you exactly how to do it in the next video. You'll learn how to make your site faster, cleaner, and easier for AI models to understand. So, if you want to make sure AI actually shows your site to real customers, click now to watch Technical SEO Audit, the brutal truth about your website. Because how to rank in AI search isn't just about writing better content. It's about giving AI every reason to trust and recommend your website. And in today's search world, that's basic.